A tax identification number, or TIN, is a unique identification number issued by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, in the Philippines. It is used for tax purposes and is required in various financial and legal transactions. Every individual is entitled to only one TIN for life. Having multiple TINs is illegal and punishable under Philippine law. Purpose of TIN identification for tax-related transactions: required for employment, required for opening bank accounts, required for loans, business registration, and inheritance. Categories of applicants. 1. Employees earning purely compensation income. 2. Self-employed individuals, freelancers, and professionals. 3. Business owners. 4. One-time taxpayers or individuals needing a TIN for specific transactions. BIR registration forms. BIR Form 1901 for self-employed individuals, single proprietors, and professionals. BIR Form 1902 for employees earning purely compensation income. BIR Form 1903 for corporations and partnerships. BIR Form 1904 for one-time taxpayers and those needing a TIN for specific transactions. Requirements for employees. Form 1902, valid government-issued ID, birth certificate if required, certificate of employment or job offer. Completed BIR Form 1902, for self-employed or freelancers, Form 1901, valid ID, proof of address, utility bill or lease contract, DTI certificate of business name, if applicable, mayor's permit or barangay clearance. Completed BIR Form 1901, for business owners, Form 1903, valid ID, SEC certificate or DTI registration, mayor's permit, articles of incorporation for corporations. Completed BIR Form 1903, for one-time taxpayers, Form 1904, valid ID, birth certificate if required. Supporting documents such as bank requirements or inheritance papers. Completed BIR Form 1904. Application process. 1. Identify the correct Revenue District Office, RDO. Application must be filed at the RDO covering the applicant's residence or workplace. 2. Fill out the appropriate BIR form. Ensure accuracy of details. Information must match valid identification documents. 3. Prepare the required documents. Submit both original and photocopies. 4. Submit the application at the RDO. Present completed form and documents. Some RDOs process the TIN immediately. Others may require a return date. 5. Receive TIN card or TIN verification slip. The number issued will serve as the applicant's permanent TIN. Notes for specific applicants. Employees. Employers usually process the application on behalf of new hires. Self-employed and business owners. Additional steps include payment of registration fees, purchase of official receipts, and attendance at a taxpayer's briefing. One-time taxpayers. Limited to specific transactions such as banking or estate settlement. Online application. The BIR e-registration system, e-Regi, is available primarily for employers and institutions. Individual applicants are still required to file in person at the RDO. Forms can be downloaded online and filled out before visiting the BIR office. Important reminders. 1. Only one TIN per individual is allowed. 2. Applying for multiple TINs is a punishable offense. 3. For employees, TIN application is free of charge. 4. For self-employed or businesses, registration fees and documentary stamp taxes are required. 5. If the TIN card is lost, request reissuance at the BIR instead of applying for a new TIN. 6. Always bring photocopies of documents to avoid delays. 7. Verify the latest requirements and procedures from the official BIR website before applying. So, in summary, TIN is a permanent tax identification issued by the BIR, required for employment, business, banking, loans, and inheritance. Use the correct BIR form, 1901, 1902, 1903, or 1904. Submit the required documents to the correct RDO. Receive the TIN card or verification slip after processing. One TIN is valid for life.